Hello everyone and welcome to our new listing. It's a rental listing again and we are in Coconut Grove. The address is 1769 Wa Kee Na, and this is a beautiful property. It's actually very well built and it's got a totally renovated kitchen, as you can see, very nice bathrooms, and you have 4 bedrooms. Plus you have like an office and actually 2 spaces that could be as office spaces, very nice sizes. Great location, of course. You're very close to I-95. You're very close to Brickell and Downtown. And we love Coconut Grove. And you can have this rental for $11,000 a month. So please do give us a call and we can't wait to show you. And of course, as you can see, you have a great pool out there too, and quite a bit of parking space in the front. You've got space for 3 cars, plus you have a 2-car garage. So give us a call. Thank you.